Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and obviously I am here in the location wherein I do my afternoon routine. This is just a trivia, so this location is approximately 2 kilometers from my home. So I live in Barangay Siloy 8 and this is in Barangay Poblacion. So normally before I run, I usually do a warm-up. So my warm-up is just walking. So by the way, I decided to make another vlog for my afternoon routine. Kasi yung previous vlog, I just used my phone for the videos. But by now, I will be using my Sony DSC-WX500 for this vlog. Then, let's try to compare the difference between the two videos. Aside from using the DSC-WX500, I am also using my Gorillapod. So, by the way, the correct pronunciation is Gorillapod, not Gorillapod. Kasi I find this equipment or accessories, I said to the sale attendant na I need to buy Gorillapod. So, ang correct pronunciation pala is Gorillapod. So, ano yung mga dinadala ko before I run? So, usually I just bring a bottle of water. So, like this. Then, pamasahe. So, normally I bring 20 pesos. So 20 pesos going here, so sakaling I can't run going back home or kapag umuulan, so at least I have reserved 10 pesos para makasakay ako ng tricycle. Then aside from that, so yung suot ko is simply like this one, this polo shirt, then short, then shoes. So yun lang. So it's been 1 month that it's been 1 month na hindi ko na dinadala yung cellphone ko kasi parang hindi practical to run kapag meron kang cellphone na dinadala. As you can notice, I am now hinihingal kasi I'm already warming up. So I am just walking 800 meters from my starting point. Okay guys, so yan talaga yung sakit kapag you are an aviation addict, kasi kapag merong eroplanong dumadaan, so I really need to make a shot of that, like kanina yung sa Cebu Pacific. So I guess that came from Manila and it is now final to runway 17 of the Jensen Airport. So normally kapag I see an airplane, I usually search for its status in the flight radar 24. So tinitingnan ko kung saan siya galing, so ano ang registration ng eroplano, then kung ano yung speed, ano yung altitude. So the flight radar 24 is very convenient talaga for the aviation addict people. So yun. So as you can notice, I am now making another round for my warm up kasi sa tingin ko hindi pa ako na umiinit, hindi pa ako nang I'm not yet ano ba yun, because sa tingin ko hindi pa ako masyadong mainit to because sa tingin ko I am not ready to run kasi parang hindi pa kumukulo yung mga dugo ko. So ngayon I am now having my second round of warm-up. Bale, itong tinatakbuhan ko, the perimeter of this is approximately nasa mga kulang-kulang 1 kilometer. So less than 1 kilometer. So hi guys, based on my observation, there is really a big difference doing vlogs using this Gorillapod rather. So there's a really big difference doing vlogs using Gorillapod to doing vlogs without using any equipments like this Gorillapod. Kasi napansin ko kapag when I use this Gorillapod, the stabilization is very good compared to the one that I'm holding the camera na diretso sa body ng camera. So the presence of the Gorillapod is really convenient in terms of the stabilization of my video. So okay siya. So malapit na. So after siguro mga 30 minutes I will start my running. So normally I run 8 rounds dito. So during my initial run, I usually do 2 rounds. But since medyo sumakit yung gilid ko dito sa kaliwa, at the half of my 2 rounds, I stop and just walk. Kasi medyo masakit talaga yung tagiliran ko. But I believe this is not appendicitis kasi kapag appendicitis, so normally you can feel the pain at the middle or at the right side. So I don't know. I am not a nurse or a doctor, but I am sure this is not appendicitis. Masakit lang talaga yung tagiliran ko. Siguro sa hangin. I really don't know. So hi guys, I can really feel the pain dito banda. So I don't know what is this. So when I run, it's very painful. So for now, I just decided to walk na lang muna. Siguro kapag yung sakit mawala, so by that time I will start running again. So hi guys, after 5 rounds, so as you can see I am really sweating a lot. Then after this I will be going home. So going home, it takes me about 2 kilometers. So yun. So by the way, it took me about siguro 1 week to decide what vlog should I make, kasi it's already 2 weeks na nakalipas na I did not post any vlogs sa YouTube channel ko. So today I decided to make a vlog. So naisip ko na since I will run this afternoon, so naisip ko na lang na I will make another vlog for my afternoon routine. Then aside from this one, I am planning to make another vlog bukas. So ngayon I decided to just walk na lang. Then siguro after this I will go to the other cemetery to visit my father. And then after that I will run siguro fast. I am not satisfied with my running this afternoon kasi I am documenting it. So hi guys, as of this time I am now going to the exit gate. So guys, I am here now in the La Trinidad Memorial Home. So yun lang, I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, kindly give this video a thumbs up and click the bell button for notifications. So see you on my next vlog. Bye bye. Bye.